In this video, let me show you how to connect Payoneer to PayPal. As you can see, I have both my Payoneer and PayPal accounts ready. First, make sure your accounts on both PayPal and Payoneer are verified. Once that's done, go to your PayPal dashboard. At the top menu, click on Pay and Get Paid. From there, look at the left side panel, click on Banks and Cards. I'm using a PayPal business account and it's a newly created one. If you're using a personal account and want to switch to business, check my YouTube channel where I've made a video explaining how to do that. Now click Add Card or Link a Card. Here's where you'll need to add your Pioneer card information. Enter your credit card number, choose the card type, add the expiration date, and then input the security code or CVV. After that, link card. Wait a few seconds while PayPal confirms your card. If all the details are correct, your Pioneer card will be successfully linked to your PayPal account. That's it. This is the easiest method to link Pioneer with PayPal without needing to use third-party apps or having any prior experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.